These are just some of the fragments of the ceramic building material that was used to build the baths. So this is a singular tile that is part of one of those pili stacks that would be used in the hypocaust. You can see it's square, made in a regular shape, and this is what would have been stacked on top of itself to create one of those pillars that holds up the floor. Now this one has an extremely faint but just about visible dog's paw print in it. And this is because when the tiles were made, they were laid out to air dry, and often you would have got animals running across them. Sometimes you even see human footprints. But in particular with this one, a dog must have run across it at some point and just left its little paw print to survive for the following 2,000 years. The other piece I have on the table is slightly different. It's made out of the same material, so it is essentially a brick tile, and you can see that it's hollow all the way through. So this is one that would have been used in the roof. As we've established, the roof would have been extremely big, extremely heavy, so you don't want the whole thing to be made out of solid brick. Instead, box tiles like this one would have added a little bit of reduction to the weight. They also allowed for insulation, so something like this would have helped prevent the air, the cold air from coming through into the space of the Roman baths. These are made out of one single slab of clay that's then folded over itself and folded over itself again and joined on one corner. And you can see it also has these marks across the faces of it. This is to allow the mortar to stick on. So if you imagine lots and lots of these tiles would then have been glued together and created that nice vaulting shape.